St. Patrick's Day, also known as the Feast of St. Patrick, is a cultural and religious celebration held on the 17th of March, the traditional death date of St. Patrick, the foremost patron saint of Ireland. The day commemorates St. Patrick and the arrival of Christianity in Ireland, as well as celebrating the heritage and culture of the Irish people. It is a public holiday in Ireland and also widely celebrated in countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia, where there are significant Irish communities. The day is marked by parades, wearing of green attire, shamrock decorations, and the consumption of traditional Irish food and drinks, like corned beef, cabbage, and Guinness. It is a festive occasion filled with music, dance, and a sense of camaraderie, bringing people of all backgrounds together to honor Irish traditions and history. In Irish folklore, leprechauns are often associated with St. Patrick's Day. Leprechauns are mythical creatures in the form of small bearded men, wearing green coats and hats, known for their mischievous nature and their pots of gold at the end of rainbows. While St. Patrick's Day is more about celebrating the heritage and culture of Ireland and the arrival of Christianity as brought by St. Patrick, leprechauns add a whimsical and playful element to the festivities. They are believed to bring good luck and are often depicted as part of the St. Patrick's Day decorations and celebrations, adding a touch of magic and fantasy to the holiday.